Hey, it's Dave with exploringit.com, and today we're at Disney Springs because we're gonna go see a new Marvel movie at Disney. Now, I know a lot of people don't want to go see movies when they're on vacation at Disney. And this is more for a local thing, but we don't really get, because I mean, like, you guys kind of hang out up north all the time and just sit there and watch movies, right? That's why you're here. You want to go experience some stuff. That's cool. But if you're really into movies, I suggest you come check out one of the Disney releases down here at Disney. And it's a little rainy, so I'm gonna power through this, but we're gonna go to the other side and show you the cool stuff they do on release days. So this will be awesome. Let's go. Right in the middle of the theater here, there's a big area where usually while we're waiting, instead of sitting there, because we got little guys, what we do is we have them hang out there and go run around, burn up some energy. And also, if you come into this side over here, you get the treatment when you walk in. They got all the banners up with all the different characters. It's awesome. While you're over there, you can go hang out and take some photos with the Eternals backdrop. Haleo's back open again. I don't know what this is supposed to be anymore. I can look it up and get everybody a better view, but so I was mentioning this is a place where you can, or a movie theater where you can grab a drink before you go and go to the movie. So this is what we're staring at here. Got some awesome full bar, 5 different brews on tap, paradise frozen cocktails, mango. All right, so if you need to come out and grab a drink while you're watching a movie, this is the place to get one. And this particular theater is pretty cool because you don't have to like order the popcorn, just have it ready for you. Come up here and grab the one you want. They also have these really awesome soda fountain machines where you can get like 1,000 different flavors of whatever you like. The sodas are huge though. You know what? I'm gonna go with the Powerade. Try cherry today. Alright, so we got our popcorn, we got our soda, Powerade anyways. Let's head on into the movie, and I'll give you a review afterwards. It was the premiere of Eternals. Like, what a movie. I haven't seen a movie that good in a really long time, guys. Especially a Marvel movie. Like, it had everything. It had, and you know what else? Like, here's my feedback. I might go home and do another video on this, but here's my feedback. I haven't heard a voiceover like that since Nimoy. In like the old school Transformers movies. Like, I haven't, a lot of the stuff that they were doing in this movie is just mind-boggling. They put like a whole Hollywood treatment on this thing, just like they used to. It's full length, it's phenomenal, it's got story progression, it's got characters of old. I don't know what else to say. Like, if you are a fan of the Marvel movies and you like the Avengers, my opinion is that you need to come go see this movie. I'm not even joking. Like, it was that good. I'm not gonna say it was as epic as Endgame, because Endgame was crazy, but Marvel movies are back, guys. Like, that was amazing. It was amazing. I hope everybody has a good weekend. If anybody goes to see this movie, leave a comment below and let me know. What'd you think? Was it good? Was it bad? Like, if you want me to go anywhere else, let me know, you know? And then we'll record some other videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop on out of here now so that I can go enjoy our Friday night date night. But thank you everybody that helped make this video. Thank you to everybody that's watching it. And I know it's raining right now, but usually this just means like it's a cold front. And it'll be a little bit colder tonight. So, thanks everybody. We'll see you soon.